Oh, this is live on the scene of a car wreck. I would run up to they just crashed about a minute before I turned it on. And it's right here, but it flipped over a little bit. I would run right up to the vehicle, but you can't run across this divider. I mean, I would see if anybody's injured. But it just happened just now. Really can't see it, but he flipped around. This is the main road going right on to the Oso Bridge. So they're gonna need a PD out here very fast to stop some of the, make sure nobody hits them again. But one truck, I was right there, walking when I heard a boom. So the one truck hit the other one, and somebody was carrying flipped off, and then that one truck spun around. So I was not going to do an update right now, but being this is live on the scene, meaning I'll upload it right after I take it, and it's right now. Let me look at my clock. It's 15 minutes after 4. So that was it right there. We used to call them 1050 major. It really didn't look like anybody got injured, but I normally run up. I have done that in the past. I've been to a lot of wrecks, and then I just check if they're okay. Okay? I just kind of saw my friend Furman. He's sleeping. He's crashed out. But I stopped and just told him, brother, I came by and say hi, and that's what I get. And saw a few other friends. The main thing is that we want to get, so you're going to have some, road blocking going from Flour Bluff Drive on the feeder up to the Oso Bridge. That's going to be backed up for a little while. All right, this is just a few minutes, and that's all for that.